guys, this is Anne. Today I'm making a pineapple salad or pineapple salsa, whatever you call it. So I'll have a whole pineapple. I guess this is like medium size, yes? Medium size of pineapple. Then we're going to have an avocado. I'll not put a lot of this, I'll just put maybe a quarter of it or an eighth. Then we're going to have some cilantro, onion, some garlic. I like garlic, some tomatoes, and some green capsicum or green hohos. So I'll chop them really fine and then show you after I've chopped everything. And then you see how fine you need to chop them, so you marinate all the flavors into the salad. So this is something I can eat and finish in one sitting. So if you're not used to that, I don't know how to help you. But anyway, it's really, really delicious. I just came up with it one time when, you know, where you're like, I have fruit, I have these things, I don't have lettuce. I just made that and it was on point. Okay, it was awesome. Okay, let me chop everything up and stop rambling. Okay guys, I've chopped the pineapple, that's the whole pineapple, a quarter of an avocado, the onions, the garlic is in there, the tomatoes, the capsicum, which is the hoho, the cilantro, which is dania. Then the pineapples, there's that hard part which you don't put because this I'll just end up eating. So I'll start with the avocado. Then just to mash it up with the juice of the pineapple there. Then just do that. Or you can just mix the avocado, you don't have to do this. Most of the times I just put everything together and let the avocado get mashed with everything else. Okay, so that's it. Then I'll put the pineapple. Then we'll put the onions and the garlic. That, turn it over and make sure I don't put that in there. Then you mix it all up. This you can even take for a party or a dinner. You're taking food, you're having a party going on, you can take this as a salad. This is delicious. I call it a savory salad, sweet and savory. So you can let it marinate for like 5 minutes or 10 minutes, or I normally just eat it as it is. Okay guys, there's the salad. It's really nice. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Like this video if you like it, and that's it guys. Bye. Hey guys, I decided to show you as I eat this salad. You should try this salad. It's so simple. As you're cutting your onions for making other foods, you can cut this, you can cut your dania, sorry, your cilantro and onions. eat this sometimes for dinner. You find it sometimes hard to chew. You know, you need to chew your food until it becomes mush. But because your food is so nice, sometimes you forget to chew all of it. Right now I'm chewing all of it because that's what you're meant to do that. Sometimes I forget. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you try this recipe. And see you in the next video. And if you like the video, give it a like. And thanks for watching. Bye.